Hi viewers, I am Nisha Thakur. Today I am telling you how to simplify exponents. So I am taking this example. I am showing you how to solve. Here in first bracket 2a to the power 3b square and in another second bracket 3ab to the power 4 to the power 3. Here we have to multiply. So here power 1 here because we can imagine a means a to the power 1. So here power 1, so we can write as it is 2a to the power 3b square, and here this bracket to the power 3, so each member to the power 3 because a b to the power m, it means a to the power m multiply b to the power m. So here 3 to the power 3, a to the power 3, and b to the power 4 to the power 3. So here I applied this law. Now first parenthesis write as it is 3 to the power 3, which is 27, a to the power 3, and here we will apply this law, a to the power m to the power n means power to the power, so power will be multiply. So here power 4 and here power 3 we can multiply, so 4 times 3, which is 12. Now here simply multiply 2 times 27, which is 54, and here a to the power, so here same base, this type of we can multiply, so like a to the power m multiply a to the power n, here same base, so we can add powers. So 3 plus 3, which is 6, b. Here 2 plus 12, which is 14. So this is our answer, 54, a to the power 6, b to the power 14. Here students do common mistake here, like 3 to the power 3. Some students write 9, but no. 3 to the power 3, it means 3 multiply 3 multiply 3, which is 27. Okay. I hope you understood this example. If you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me anytime. Okay, bye. Have a nice time.